Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, LED headlights, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.